In this video, you'll learn how to change the language settings in Notion. This process allows you to customize your Notion experience according to your preferred language. Following these steps will help you navigate the platform more comfortably. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you're not logged in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you are on your dashboard, you can proceed to the next step. Next, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your account settings. It is important to access these settings to make changes to your language preferences. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to the settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Notion account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available options on this page before proceeding. Once you are on the settings page, look for the preference section and click on it. Here, you will find various customizable settings, including those related to language and time. This section allows you to fine-tune your Notion experience according to your needs. Now, locate the language and time option and click on it. This section will display your current language settings along with other time-related preferences. It is essential to check this area to ensure you can change the language effectively. Next, click on the language option. This will open a list of available languages that you can choose from. Take a moment to review the options provided and determine which language you would like to set as your default. After that, select your desired language from the list. For example, if you wish to change to English, US, simply click on that option. The interface will reflect this selection, allowing you to proceed with the update. Once you've chosen your preferred language, click on the Update button to save your changes. This action will initiate the process of updating your language settings. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your language has been changed successfully. The changes you made will take effect immediately. You should notice that the interface is now displayed in the language you selected. If you wish to confirm the change, you can revisit your profile settings. To verify the update, click on your profile icon again and go back to Settings. From there, click on Language to check if the selected language is now set as your default. This final confirmation ensures that your preferences are correctly applied.